Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2013 Ford Escape SEL all-wheel drive, stock number E1844A. 75,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Deep impact blue in color. The Escape is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SEL has keyless entry along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 3 drivers. Power driver's seat along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for climate. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And heated front seats. Storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, and sunshade control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Escape has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 240 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 21 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Escape, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.